Good afternoon, student. Now we are going to see type conversion in Python. Here in previous lecture we have seen the dynamic typing and type casting. Now we will elaborate some things of type casting. First is type casting float value into integer value. Float value into integer value. Now see, here we have taken a variable x equal to 3.0. If you can write anything, any float value. Now you can see that here x is float or decimal value. Now we have again using a variable y equal to int x. In yesterday lecture I have told you this int function. This int function is used to typecast or type conversion to the any value into integer value. That means before any value, if we are going to use int function, that means it will convert the type of the variable into integer type value. Now we are going to print the value of y. So what will be the change in the value? Now see, if run the program pressing F5 from your keyboard, you can see that y will be 3. That means the decimal part of the x is not going to be printed on here. Now I hope you are not going to understand this, so let me more clear to you. See here, y become integer part of x. That means here x is converted into integer. X will converted into integer, and that's why 0.03 is not printed when we are going to print the y. If we are going to print x, you can see that print x, then see x will be 3.03 but y will be 3, because y is the integer part of your value. If we are going to check here, output is 3. Here output will be 3.03. 3.03. So I hope you are going to understand the type of this thing. This is called type casting or type conversion. Now here x is integer, now becomes y is the integer part of x. That means y is the converted x into integer. Here x, or you can say that x is changed into integer, from float to integer. X, here x is changed into float to integer. So now if you are going to cross check this program, if you want to cross check, that means there is the type function which print the type of the variable. So you can print type x, type of x. You can see that class float. Float is the class in the Python programming language. We will discuss about the class and object. This is the type of variable float. Type function is used to print type of variable or object, type of variable or object. Similarly, if we are going to print the type of y, then you can see that print type of y. Now run the program. Here you can see the output. Y is the of class integer, that means y will be the int type value and x is the float type of value. This is conversion is called type conversion. Now similarly, if you are going to convert string value into integer or float value, you can convert both. Now see here we are going to take a equal to 222. Now b equal to 113. Now see here a is of type string. Now here b is of type integer. Now see, if we are going to perform any operation like print sum of a and b is equal to print a plus b. Now we are going to comment these lines of program. Now run the program. Check the error. Print sum of a and b is equal to itna. Type error is can only concatenate string, not integer to string. What does it mean? That means you cannot calculate or add these two values because they are of different type. That means a is the string type of variable and b is the integer type of variable. Then you cannot perform calculation from string to integer or string to float. You can perform the calculation on the type of integer and float, but you cannot perform the operation from string to integer or string to float. That's why if we are going to typecast b, we are going to typecast b as integer. Now if we are going to typecast b equal to str now see, first of all we are going to typecast a into integer. Now we are going to convert a into integer, int. Now here a is typecasted into integer from string. Now if we are going to run this program, see, your answer will be printed 332. Now why this will going to correct? Because we have typecast a into integer. That means here is the a is the string, but a is now going to the changed into integer. Now if we are going to convert b into string, see here the difference. If we are going to convert b into string, suppose that b equal to str 110. Now see what happened then. Now here b is going to b is changed into string. Now b is not an integer value. Now b will become a string value. Now if we are going to perform calculation, then what will be the output? See, 22222 and 110. This will not going to add. This is called concatenation. That means this add two string. This is going to add two string, not the value. That means here you can see that two string are concatenated with plus operator. With plus operator, that is if we are going to write, if you write a equal to he and b equal to LO, and we are going to print a plus b then output is hello. Now output is hello. Similarly, in case of integer, if a equal to (11) and b equal to 22, print a plus b. Now this will become just write two value. This is not going to add, this is adjacent, right? This will written as adjacent value 1122. This is not is the integer value, this is the string value. See, 1122 will be printed. Now this is the type conversion. Thank you for watching today.